This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Legacy Subnautica. You awaken on planet 4546b after your spaceship, the Aurora, crashes. Your immediate task is to survive the alien ocean environment. This involves managing vital resources like oxygen, food, and water, while also exploring the vast underwater world. The game blends survival mechanics with a compelling story, encouraging you to delve deeper into the ocean's mysteries and uncover the planet's secrets. Your first hours in Subnautica are crucial for survival. Begin by crafting a scanner to analyze new items, a knife for defense and resource collection, and an oxygen tank to extend your dive time. Focus on gathering readily available resources such as titanium from wreckage and limestone, silicone from creepvine, and acid mushrooms for batteries. Quickly find blueprints for a habitat builder and a basic habitat module to create your first underwater shelter, providing a safe haven and storage. As you progress, expand your exploration beyond the safe shallows. Venture into kelp forests, coral reefs, and mushroom forests to discover new resources and valuable blueprints. Construct a Seamoth, your first personal submarine, to navigate deeper and faster, reaching depths of up to 200 meters. Always be on the lookout for vehicle and tool fragments scattered across the seabed. Pay close attention to radio messages, as they often guide you toward critical story locations and new challenges. In the mid to late game, focus on upgrading your Seamoth and eventually building a prawn suit for even deeper exploration, reaching depths of 900 meters or more. Expand your underwater base with new modules like moon pools and observatories. Your primary objective shifts to uncovering the mysteries of the alien structures and understanding the ancient disease affecting the planet. Gather the necessary components and blueprints to construct a rocket, preparing for your ultimate escape from planet 4546b.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.